All right, y'all, just a quick update. I'm sitting inside Bertha and about to get some sound wired up in here. Well, get the radio tossed up in here real fast and so I can get some sounds. I'm tired of riding in silence, man. I'm tired of riding in silence. It's terrible. And then once I get the radio and the head unit wired up, I'm gonna slip into those doors and toss some aftermarket door speakers in here next. And yeah, I'm gonna check back in once we go from there. But that's the progress right now. That's what we got going on. I went a different route. I went with a single DIN Bluetooth compatible joint. Because what I'm gonna end up doing is, well, I went that route because I went the Bluetooth single DIN compatible route because the way these touchscreen double DIN Jones is priced right now, I don't want to pay that right now. So I'm hustling on a bargain right now. So instead, I got the double DIN Bluetooth wireless joint for that. And then I got an iPad. So I'm gonna take the iPad and I'm gonna mount the iPad and I'm gonna use the iPad as my head unit. You dig? Came out pretty good. Go ahead, turn it on. So, oh, he had been walking down the street back and forth for a hot minute, man. I don't even get it, but anyway.
Okay.
No, ma'am, keep going. All right, slip it back. Yep, there you go. Keep going. It's pretty long screw. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yep. Slip it go. Yep, there you go. Perfect.
Out yet?
No, ma'am, keep going. I know. You asked to help, so here you go. I got you the job. Get that boat out. There we go. Yeah.
Out yet?
No, ma'am. Keep on going. All right, I think we might be out. Oh, no, we got a little bit more to go. Stick it right there like that, right? And then do this. Watch my fingers. Now watch it. Pull your hand. Take it. Pull your hand. You still keep the lever. Ah, you hear her, huh?
It hurt. Because I was holding on to it so tightly.
Perfect.
We got it out.
Oh, there it is.
Can I see it?
Yeah. Don't lose it.
That's the long screw.
All right. Got the head unit in.
Where do I put it down?
Now I'm working on trying to get this door speaker out. This ain't the best work, but it's kind of janky. But this is good for temporary for now. I'm gonna end up putting some door pods in this motherfucker too. So fiberglass, not even fiberglass, but a little pod gonna sit in there. It's gonna hold 2 6.5s. I'm gonna do it on both sides. But I got both speakers in. Pretty decent. Like I said, it's janky. Got a couple self tappers in there, but it'll do for now. I bought some of these GM factory harnesses, you know what I mean? So this will hold me over until I actually, get an amp and actually run all new wire and do this joint for now. So that's what I got for now. I picked these up. I picked up 4 of them. So I got 2 for the back, 2 for the front. Yeah, they ran me about, I want to say like 12 bucks. Yeah, 12 bucks delivered. I love Amazon Prime. Couple self tappers, panel puller. It's the old radio here. This one 4 ohm too. The one I just put in is 4 ohm. So it should be able to get all the power I want out of these speakers right now. And I'll get back to you when I can. Check back in. All right, part 2 of the install. I just put the front speakers in. So Day in, I'm about to attempt to see if I can put this subwoofer in the back. Like I just ordered a brand new 8-inch woofer. It's a SKAR audio. It was cheap. It was like a $60 woofer. So it's an 8-inch. I'm gonna try to put it in a stock location in the back. And my bad. I'm gonna drop the camera. But yeah, so I'm gonna put it in a stock location in the back right here. And yeah, it was weird rolling with my camera again. I'm back, baby. Alright, I'm done. But anyway, I'm trying to put it right here in this stock location right here. The 8 back here is blown, so I'm gonna have to take all this stuff out. Well, all the stuff off on this side, pull it all out, and then I'm gonna slide the box over, and then I'll be able to get up in there. I'm gonna have to pull all this trim off, I think. Like, all this shit gotta go, just to get in there. I think the bottom one gotta come out too. We gonna see how it go. Let me get to it. Alright, we back, baby. Gonna need my Dremel. So I think I'm gonna Dremel out the hole. More on that when it comes. I'm being lazy. I probably should take this damn liner out, but I don't really want to carry that box out. So I'm keeping it lazy. So probably working twice as hard now. But pull the trim on. Slip back up now. I think I gotta go. This trim gotta come on. At least up into this corner right here. And then I can probably pull this out a little bit, but I don't know how far I'm gonna be able to pull it out with the 3rd row still in. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna hit y'all back when I figure it out. Alright, I don't really have no uncopyrighted music. They got enough, you know, thump to let y'all see how bad this woofer is. This joint don't have no flex at all. It's terrible. So I'm gonna try to play this clip real quick so I don't get copyrighted. Well, copyright. I mean, in English it says usually copywritten, but I don't know if that's the same thing. But anyway, I'm gonna play this clip. Play this quick clip and let y'all see how bad this thing flex. All right. So that's it right there. And as you can see, I had to take everything out. Like, I had to pull everything out. Box, everything had to come out. Even had to twist the seat so I can get this panel out, so I can get behind it. Check back in when I get it finished. All right, we out. We got the box out. Stock woofer. I need to measure this. Is this really 8 inches? Shit, I don't know. But it's the stock woofer. Little box. It's little plastic joint. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to put that new woofer in there. And see if it fit. I don't know if it's gonna really fit or not. It's actually like it's pretty tight up in there. We're gonna see. Alright. SKAR audio. God damn, we fucking up. Yeah, this is SKAR audio. SKAR audio woofer. This is the one I'm trying to squeeze in the stock location. Seems pretty stiff. And let me see if I can stick it in there. Stick it in that box. If I gotta do a little trimming, I got my Dremel out, and I'm gonna get to it. And I'll check back in when I'm done.
Big body, I'll get up to lanes. Whip so big